What's up everyone? In today's video, we're going to be doing some heavy bag boxing combinations. So go ahead and follow along. For our first combination, we're going to start off throwing our jab, our cross, and then we're going to come back to our guard. From here, we're going to take a slight pause and then throw a jab, a cross, and a lead hook. Numbers, 1, 2, guard. 1, 2, 3. Okay, ready? Let's go. Jab, cross, hook. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Just finding your distance on this first round, making sure you got a good base, you got your feet under you, bringing your punches back, listening up the shoulders, breathing on your punches. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Jab, cross, guard. Jab, cross, hook. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Making sure to get a full extension on those punches. For your straight punches, your jab and cross. On this hook, I'm going to step in a bit, okay? So that way I could cover some distance. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Jab, cross, hook. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Good, move around. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Making sure you're turning your punches, getting your whole fist, concentrating on those big knuckles, hitting the target, and always exchanging your punches, right? One's attacking, one's defending, okay? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Jab, cross, hook. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. For this combination, we're going to throw a jab, cross. We're going to reload the cross, come back with the hook, and another cross. 1, 2, 2, 3, 2. Jab, cross, hook, cross. Ready? Let's go. Jab, cross, reload it, cross, lead hook, cross. 1, 2, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 2, 3, 2. Your jab, your cross again, lead hook, cross. 1, 2, 2, 3, 2. Jab, cross, hook, cross. 1, 2, 2, 3, 2. Jab, cross, hook, cross. So you make it a little more advanced. After your first jab, cross, step to the rear side or your cross hand side. Cross, hook, cross. Jab, cross, hook, cross. When I take that step, I want to make sure I'm still facing the bag, okay? My target. 1, 2, 2, 3, 2. Jab, cross, hook, cross. Jab, cross, hook, cross. If you want to stand stationary, that's fine too. 1, 2, move. 2, 3, 2. Jab, cross, hook, cross. Jab, cross, hook, cross. Keep that guard up. Move around. Bringing your punches back. Protect your body, protect your face. Ten seconds. One more. For this combination, we're going to throw our jab, our cross, our rear uppercut, our lead hook, and our cross. Jab, cross, uppercut, hook, cross. 1, 2, 6, 3, 2. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 6, 3, 2. 1, 2, 6, 3, 2. Jab, cross, uppercut, hook, cross. Jab, cross, uppercut, hook, cross. Right now, I'm trying not to do a big windup on this uppercut, leaving a lot of space, right? I want to come from this position forward, okay? This position forward, using that hip for power. Jab, cross, uppercut, hook, cross. Jab, cross, uppercut, hook, cross. Jab, cross, rear uppercut, lead hook, cross. Trying to get those hips going with each punch. Jab, cross, reload, uppercut, hook, cross. Sometimes I'll imagine I'm going to the body for the uppercut, sometimes a bit higher, like the chin. Jab, cross, uppercut, hook, cross. 30 seconds. Time. For this combination, we're going to do jab, cross, come back to your guard. You're going to pretend block on this right side or your rear side. Throw a lead hook, a cross, and a lead hook. Emphasis on the power on the hooks, okay? Jab, cross, block. Hook, cross, hook. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. Ready? Let's go. One, 2, 3, 2, 3. Jab, cross, hook, cross, hook. Jab, cross, hook, cross, hook. 1, 2, block, hook, cross, hook. 1, 2, block, hook, cross, hook. 1, 2, block, hook, cross, hook. Keep going. 1, 2, hook, cross, hook. I feel a bit far on my hook, so I'm gonna go in a bit. Hook, cross, hook. Jab, cross, block with this rear hand. Throw the lead hook because it's available, okay? Because this hand is blocking, this hand is free, okay? Keep going. 1, 2, block. 3, 2, 3. And you don't need to rush. Make sure you have good balance. 20 seconds. For this combination, we're going to throw a double jab, a rear uppercut, and we're going to roll under, okay? Cross, hook, cross. Jab, jab, rear uppercut, under. Cross, lead hook, cross. Ready? Let's go. 1, 1, 6, under. 2, 3, 2. So you're getting in those rolls, which is going to be your head movement, ducking under, okay? Jab, jab, uppercut, under. Cross, hook, cross. 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 Keep going. 1, 1, 6, under. 2, 3, 2. 1, 1, 6, under. 2, 3, 2. Jab, jab, uppercut, under. Cross, hook, cross. Jab, jab, uppercut, cross, hook, cross. For this combination, we're going to throw jab, cross, lead hook, cross, lead uppercut, rear uppercut, lead uppercut, rear uppercut. Jab, cross, hook, cross, uppercut, times 4, okay? So you're 5, you're 6, you're 5, and you're 6. Numbers, 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 6, 5, 6. Ready? Let's go. It's a bit of a burnout here for this final round. So for the uppercuts, I'm coming in a bit closer, okay? You don't have to, but if you want to, it feels nice to do that. Jab, cross, hook, cross, uppercut. Okay? Jab, cross, hook, cross, uppercut, times 4. Jab, cross, lead hook, cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, uppercuts. So your 5s and 6s. Jab, cross, hook, cross, lead uppercut, rear, lead uppercut, rear. Keep going. Jab, cross, hook, cross, lead uppercut, lead, rear. A few more seconds. Okay, everyone, that's going to be it for today's heavy bag workout. Thanks for joining me. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe. Appreciate it. Thanks. Have a great day. Peace.